we have these three partial specimens in order to find out the density of this material. First of all, we will find out the dry weight of each of these specimens before we proceed further. This is my sample number 1. Its dry weight 1317.1 or 1317. My sample number 2, its dry weight is, it's my sample number 2, its dry weight is 1319.9 or 1320, you can say that. My third sample, its weight is 1317.2. Now all these three weight, these are the known as the dry weight. Now let me write down these values over here. Please write down 1317, 1320 and 1317.2. Now, as I have determined this weight, now I will immerse these three specimens in the water for the time 4 minutes plus or minus 1 minute. Means that I will use the time of 3 minutes in order to immerse in the water. So we will immerse this in the water, and after that we will find out their SST weight, and then we will find out their weight in water. Our time has passed. We will put one by one, and then we will find out the mass of the specimen when it is immersed in water. And this mass will be designated as C. You see its value coming 811.6. Now sample number 2, (812.7). Now sample number 3, it's nearly coming 807. So these are my weights of all the three specimens when it is immersed in water.
Okay, sir.
We will find out their SST weight. At that time, we will write down and we will designate this mass as B. We will go number wise, number 1, number 2 and number 3, because in this way we will be having some 1325.3. It is the mass of sample number 1. Similarly, my sample number 2, its mass is 1333.4. And my sample number 3, one 1319.3. One 1319.3. So this was our procedure to tell you that how we are going to measure our SST weight, our dry weight and our submerged weight. In this way we will go on calculating the specific gravity of all our specimens at each bitumen content, and that calculation will be shown to you later. This is just as sample calculation that how we perform this calculation. So whatever the calculator values are coming, it will be shown to you just over here. It is just for your understanding. Understanding means this is the procedure.
Yes.
Next, for all our mixed design, whatever the calculation given, it will be tabulated to you and it will be shown to you. Please write down the value. Okay. We have calculated the dry weight, we have calculated the SSD weight, and we have calculated the weight in water. In this way, we will calculate our GMB for each sample. For my sample number 1, let me show you. 1317 divided by 1325.3 minus 811.6, 2.563. Similarly, we will calculate for the other one 1320 divided by 133.4 minus 812.7, 2.535. And last 1317 divided by 1319.3 minus 807. Its value comes out to be 2.570. Now we have these three values, and then their average value is taken as GMB at particular asphalt content. So this is our just example, plus 2.535 plus 2.563 divided by 3. So we can say that 2.556 is our GMB. So as we have done this calculation over here, same all this calculation we will go on applying to calculate the amount of GMB at each bitumen content, like 2.5%, 3%, 3.5%, 4, 4.5 and 5%, and I will show you to you just now.